it. Go see it.
I can do it.
What's that?
What is it?
What is all that stuff?
You must have been a good girl. Look, what is it? You doing the happy dance?
Cookie. Cookie.
Yeah, cookie. Do you want to push it?
Let's push it this way.
No.
Let's push it. Here we go. Yummy.
Yum. How's that taste?
Sure.
Let's push it this way.
Gonna do that last.
What's that? What is it?
A kitchen? Check it out. Some food? Oh, look at the pots. Kitchen sink. Turn on the stove.
Oh my.
Oh, do you like it? Hey, Corey.
Will it open?
I think it opens.
Put it in there. Oh my. And look, you got a refrigerator too. See the refrigerator? Yeah, open it up. Look at that. Nothing in there.
Nothing. We'll put stuff in there.
Are you cooking?
What do you have, honey? You say thank you, Santa?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go pee in the potty.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna look excited.
What happened?